If a man has everything in life, does he still need a living ideal? If a man has money, wealth, reputation, success, good health, does he need a living ideal? Once a very reputed retired IS officer came to Sri Sri Thakur Kulchandra. In the course of the conversation, this gentleman said to Sri Sri Thakur, I do not need a living ideal in my life. I have everything. I have money, I have wealth, I have riches, I have earned enough reputation. I have been very, very successful as a professional during my tenure as an IAS officer. Both I and my wife are in good health. Both my children are well settled, working abroad and staying with their families happily. I have got everything in my life. Why do I need a living ideal in life, Thakur? Sri Sri Thakur smiled at the retired IS officer. Then he drew the attention of the gentleman towards a diya which was glowing at the corner of the room in which both of them were sitting and talking to each other. Diya is an oil lamp which is made of baked clay. This beautiful diya was glowing with flames and it was radiating light all over the room. Sri Sri Thakur and Kulchandra said to the IS officer, Dada, you can see this diya glowing at the corner of this room. The IS officer nodded his head. Sri Sri Thakur asked him, Dada, can you tell me, to have a diya glow and radiate light, what are the ingredients that we need? The gentleman replied, Thakur, we need a diya, the lamp itself, and we need some oil, and we need a wick, the cotton thread, which needs to be soaked in the oil. Sri Sri Thakur asked, what else do we need? The gentleman replied, Thakur, we need a matchbox with matches so that you can ignite that wick and the diya will glow. Sri Sri Thakur asked the gentleman, Dada, what else do you need? The gentleman replied, well, that's it. I think you have all the ingredients that can make the diya glow with flames. Thakur said, Dada, you may have the lamp, the oil, the wick, the matchbox with matches. You may have everything that you need. But is that enough? Sri Sri Thakur asked the retired IS officer, Dada, can you see there is a small little iron nail inside the diya? The gentleman replied, yes. The gentleman said, Thakur, that iron nail is also important. When the flames come down, after some time, we can use that iron nail to push the wick so that the flames can go up again and then start glowing stronger. Sri Sri Thakur said, Dada, you may have everything in life. You may have money, wealth, affluence, riches, reputation, good health. But at the crossroads of life, when the flames of life come down, don't you need that someone who can push the flames, the life force further up to become stronger? The IS officer was quiet. He was reflecting on what Sri Sri Thakur said to him just now. My dear friends, one may have everything in life, but there are moments in life, there are those circumstances in life, there are those situations in life when everything seems to be lost, when we become clueless and directionless, when we, at that point in time, we feel that sense of inadequacy, the sense of void, the sense of emptiness, in spite of having everything in life. We need that master, the guru, the living ideal, who can reignite our flames, who can re-energize our life. who can bring the hope and trust back in our life. When the flames of fire becomes weak in the diya, that little iron nail acts as the push in the diya. Similarly, when the flames of life become weaker in us, we need the living ideal to re-energize and reignite the flames of life within us. Like the diya, in spite of having all the ingredients, is incomplete, our life is incomplete without the living ideal, the master or guru, in spite of having everything.